Hello there, welcome to a tyke farming in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ding-a-ling-ding-dong the bell. It's Friday morning, 7:15. We've got 2 men on site, 2 more to come in. It's a lovely morning, it's cool, the sun's out, so it'll warm up very quickly, no doubt. So as usual, I'll make 2 or 3 videos throughout the day and we'll get back to you shortly. So it's 8:30, the mixer's going. I'll show you today a bit more of these guys working, I think. Come down here away from the noise. That's M3 going at it. And then Soy's working away with Rio bar and chipping out posts and whatever have you at this end. So that's it poured. They'll skim it off another twice. Give it an hour, they'll skim it off again, and then later on they'll do it a second time. Or maybe not on there, maybe just skim it off once more when it hardens a bit, because they're going to put a brush over it to get a rough finish. So Soy's continuing on the metal work. Roger's doing as required. He's bagging sand and gravel virtually all afternoon yesterday. And he'd nearly finished. He was running out of sand and gravel. Well, with another load of gravel delivered, and hopefully the sand will be following on next, because we've run out of sand altogether now. But there again, I don't think we've any more concrete to mix. Oh, we have, yeah. When the shuttering's up, they'll be pouring concrete on them walls down there. So hopefully the sand comes this afternoon. It should do. So I'll leave this video there and I'll do another one at lunchtime. So we finished the roadway, all done and brushed off. So that's another job completed. And down here we're shifting up and doing the rebar. We're just going to have one cubicle. I can see what he's doing now. This will be a concrete wall to height of the posts. That will be a concrete wall to height of the posts. A wall here, and then the door will be here. That bit of rebar's been cut off, so the door's going to be wider. So the toilet in that corner, the shower will be here, and the drain to the shower is there. So we'll taper the floor off to that side. I think that's how it's going to be done. I did think initially there'd be a separate shower area there, but no, I don't think so. Yeah, but that'll work. So I'll leave this video there. I'll do another one later this afternoon or early evening. It's just approaching 4:30. Everybody's rushing off site tonight, and that's the reason why. It's a lot darker than what it looks. Black clouds. It's going to rain heavy in the next few minutes, I would imagine. So we'll get this video done so I don't get wet through. So as you've seen at lunchtime, the roadway is complete now. We've been chipping out the floors. That one's been done. This one's a third of the way done. That one over there is done. So there's just the 2 pens left to do, I think. And down here, so he's been working by himself most of the day. And the rebar for this wall and that wall is finished. For this wall it's up, but it's still got the spaces to weld in, and it's still got rebar to do there. Yeah, taking a bit of time is this rebar, and this I haven't seen him done before. Oh yeah, I thought it was bent round. That's just a bit of rebar that's bent. I thought he'd come out from there and bent it round for some reason, but no, he hasn't. It's just flush up against here. So I've been doing that, and also for an hour this afternoon I'll go up here and see if I can see from up here. We've got his load of sand just delivered 5 minutes ago, so we're okay for sand and gravel now, with no sand at all left. And we've been slashing we had an hour slashing the grass there. But I'm pleased the sand came, because probably tomorrow afternoon we'll be pouring concrete, or definitely tomorrow. Definitely the day after we'll be pouring concrete, and we'd completely run out of sand. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll go inside before it starts raining. It's just starting to spotting now. Really black clouds, but on camera not so much, but it's a lot blacker than what it appears. So I'll leave this video there, and we'll do it all again tomorrow. Here's the consequences of them dark clouds. Heavy rain. Sorry? And it looks like it's in for quite a while. And Jean's afraid that the lightning might hit the phone. Good job it's got a plastic handle.